Okay, so first things first, we need first the bike trainer. So what I currently have here is a what we call as fluid by Nashbar. So the first thing that we need to do is to remove this skewer, then install this on the rear wheel of our road bike. Okay, so how to remove this? You just need to pull this yellow lever here. So this is the skewer. So basically just remove this one and remove this spring. So you need to install this on the rear wheel of the bike. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. So before we were able to install this skewer on the rear wheel of this road bike, of course we need to remove the skewer currently installed on the wheel. The reason why we need to replace the skewer is that this skewer from the bike trainer is specially designed so that it will fit to the slot in the bike trainer. Okay, so if we're going to use this one in the bike trainer, we will possibly damage this skewer from our wheels. So we will possibly damage this skewer from our wheel set. You would notice there are two springs here, so you need to put the other spring here before we're going to install this on the rear wheel. Okay, so on the other side, install this other spring. Okay, then lock it using this one. So make it sure that this is properly locked. Okay, so to lock the skewer, just need to pull it here. Alright. Okay, I think we're all set. We're now ready to install that in our indoor trainer or in our bike trainer. So it's very simple. So this skewer will go straight here, same on the other side. Okay, you will install it here. So just lift your bike, make sure this skewer fits here, and on the other side, then this yellow lever, you just need to pull it down. Okay, all the way down to lock it. There you go. So the bike is already installed. The last thing that we need to do is basically to lock this wheel to add some friction or pressure on the wheels while you're cycling. Okay, so currently it's basically freewheeling, so there are no friction or tension on the wheels. So we can do that by adjusting the rotating body of the fluid Nashbar. So after we install the bike to the bike trainer, you would notice there's a small gap here. Okay, so currently the wheel is on a freewheel mode right now. So what we're going to do next is we need to adjust this section towards your wheel. Okay, how are we going to do that? We can adjust it from here. Just rotate it toward your wheel set. Okay, so once it's touching to your wheel set now, you can lock it using this this knob. So it's currently locked now. So make it sure that your wheel set is touching properly on this section to avoid your wheel set getting worn out later. So by the way, this section is basically your heat sink, because as you train later and as you bike, the tendency is this particular magnet or this particular portion will heat up. So this portion will serve as its heat sink. Okay. So we're done installing the indoor trainer to our road bike. So the last thing that we need to do is to install a front wheel riser to our bike. Okay, so this one is maybe around 250 pesos. You can buy this in Lazada. So I'm gonna put the link on the description section of this video for your reference if you want to purchase this one. So this basically needed so that your rear wheel and your front wheel will be well aligned. So just basically put it here. And you're ready to go. So you would notice after we installed the front wheel riser, the front and the rear wheel are now on the same level. Okay, so that you will feel very comfortable once you're riding your bike. Yeah, I'm ready.